In the dense and complex world of the jungle, hunting is a never-ending game of hide and seek. Here it pays to sit still and blend in, because you just never know who's watching. The Parsons Chameleon is an expert in the seen, not be seen game. It lets its eyes do all the work, while the rest of its body moves in slow motion so as not to scare possible targets. The problem is that you can only see prey if it moves. So is this a stick insect? Or a stick? Time to unleash its secret weapon. A tongue longer than its body. The Parsons' close cousin, the Nasutum chameleon, has the same weapon, but in miniature. As small as a matchstick, he needs to get much closer to his prey. But even with eyes as big as his stomach, this isn't the meal deal he was hoping for. In the jungle, it's hard finding the right size prey when you're a tiny predator. Promising opportunities can quickly turn to disappointment. Spotting any kind of prey in this dense green world